Hello. Um, I'm not sure if you guys can hear this. Today I'll be showing you guys how to Photoshop an object from an image to another image. So I've selected some of the image. So in my instructions, if you guys are reading it, get an image, whatever you guys want to Photoshop, drag the image right here, drag and put it on the Photoshop icon. So that's one image in. Now let me small this down so I can drag in the other two. So here's another one of the image right there. And the last image I've chosen is this low bubble right here. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this dog out and put it in this little bubble. So here we go. So the first thing is, I want you to duplicate your image. So click on your image and Command J if you're clicking Mac. So if you're using PC, it's Control C, pretty much the same. Or is it Shift C? No, it's Command C, I'm pretty sure. Command J, duplicate, uses two layers. So this layer, you see it has a lock. It's pretty much just there safe, just in case like you guys fuck. I mean, unless you guys like messed up or something. So here we go. So do whatever you need. So take out the pen. Pretty much just draw around the dog or the object that you want. Like you want to outline it properly. So I'm sorry, it's such a cute dog. So when you're finished, the layer that you wanna cut, see how I have right here which layer I want to cut from? It needs to be selected first of all. So when you have that on there, you go in the path layer. So in the path layer, you should see a white box in the path. If you don't have it, you can go up here and click path on Windows. There's different layers up here. See how there's path, but I already have it open. So most of the place should have it open for you already. So here we go. So we're gonna click on this. See how you see dancing ant? Let me zoom in. See, those are dancing ants. So those dancing ant indicate that you have the object. So pretty much you can Command X or Command C. They're pretty much the same thing. So I just want to click Command X to show that I actually cut it out. So Command X, then the dog is gone. Oh, the reason why you don't see the dog is on because there's second layer. So you can turn your layers up by using the eye, but that's something that you don't need to know. See how I like already cut it out? Like this is image. And now we're gonna paste it in here. So Command V. Here's the dog. Let me turn this a bit smaller for you to see. Okay, now the dog is in here. Isn't that cute? Okay, so pretty much that's how you cut out an object. Is pretty simple to be honest with you. That's pretty much my instructions. Unless you guys want to know how to play with the effects tool, so you can click Control L or Command L for PC or Mac. You can play with the brightness of the image. So this dog, you can pretty much make this dog really cute looking right here. So you can play the brightness to match the background. There's other features to make like look nicer when you cut this out, but I just taught you the basic. I chose a fluffy animal, that was my mistake. But if you do like a hard object or something, it should be easier to cut out without seeing like the line cutting out properly. And also, you want to play with the layer tool, the effects on the layer tool. Here's on my instructions, it says normal right there. So when you see the normal opacity, you just go down on normal. You see a drop down list. So this drop down list, you can do with so many things with the object you cut out. You can multiply the image. So you is a reflection. So let me change the brightness of this dog again, so you just know. Oh, look at that. So you go, oh, that's so cute. So pretty much you can do so much with the dog. So let me just do this. It looks cute. So you can play multiple, darken. Oh, you just gave a face to the bow. That's cute. You can light it up. You can it's overlay. So see how overlay the image looks like the dog is in the bubble. That's pretty cool. So here's another one. So I'm gonna cut myself up from this picture image. So the fastest way to do it, using the pencil is the best way, but if you're too lazy, you can click on the quick selection tool. It's in the same panel as the pen tool, but it's on the left hand on it's the same thing. It's just click on this and just click on the part where you want to cut out. Now, the problem with this is it doesn't cut cleanly, doesn't select the thing you want sometimes. See how I click on my face, it should select me, but it doesn't select my hair. And how you see how my arm, it also like select the Toronto sign as well. So that's not what I want, but it's a quicker way. Once you get better with Photoshop, you know how to unselect those. But in the purpose of this instruction, I just teach you how to do quick selection. So like I said again, Command J with image, and I should be cut out. Like, see how bad the cutting is? But it's pretty much this is a quick way to cut, but it's really bad. So I just gotta paste myself in here. Voila. Oh, look at that, isn't then play with the multiple tool. Oh, you can do so much with it. Okay, let me pick one. Let's see, multiply. I like multiply, to be honest. Okay, now that's done. To wrap this up, pretty much the N. I think that's how you spell the N. Oh, I spelled it correctly. The N. Yeah, that's pretty much the basic of how you cut off image from Photoshop. It's pretty fun, I find. Voila! Anyway, thank you for listening.